Before you decide to buy Tax 1099, there are 7 important things you need to know. These insights will help you make an informed decision and understand how this platform stacks up against its competitors, especially if you're new to the software. Stay tuned because I'm also going to reveal how you can try it out for free from the first link below. Let's get into it. Tax 1099 is a cloud-based platform that specializes in simplifying the process of generating and filing 1099 forms for businesses and contractors. What sets it apart from other solutions is its straightforward design, which allows users to file forms quickly without unnecessary complications. While other platforms may offer similar services, Tax 1099's clean interface and reliability make it a solid choice for small businesses and entrepreneurs. Next thing, one of the standout features of Tax 1099 is its versatility. Whether you need to file for independent contractors, freelancers, or even vendors, this platform has a range of tools to cover your filing needs. Many of its competitors, like Intuit or IRS-approved e-filing systems, have more complex or less customizable interfaces, whereas Tax 1099 is built to be user-friendly with no steep learning curve. This makes it especially beneficial for users who need to get their filings done quickly without getting bogged down by a confusing setup process. The third thing you should know is how Tax 1099 helps with compliance. As tax laws change, it can be tough to stay up to date, but this platform automatically updates to reflect the latest IRS regulations. That's a huge advantage over competitors that may require you to manually check for updates or purchase new software versions. With Tax 1099, you can rest easy knowing your forms are compliant and up to date, saving you a lot of hassle. The fourth thing to consider is its pricing. Tax 1099 offers competitive pricing, especially compared to traditional software providers. Unlike some competitors that require you to pay for each form individually, Tax 1099 allows you to bundle a number of filings for a fixed price, which can be a more cost-effective option for businesses that need to file a high volume of 1099s. Plus, the transparency in pricing means you won't be surprised with hidden fees, which is often a pain point with other platforms. Moving on to the fifth point, Tax 1099's customer support is highly rated. Unlike some alternatives that only provide limited support through chatbots or FAQs, Tax 1099 offers responsive customer service, making it easy to get answers to your questions when you need them. Whether you prefer email support or over-the-phone assistance, the team is available to guide you through the filing process, which is crucial when you're dealing with time-sensitive tax forms. The sixth thing you should know is its security. Tax 1099 employs strong encryption methods to protect your sensitive tax data. In today's digital age, security is critical, and this software takes it seriously. Some competitors may skimp on security features to cut costs, but Tax 1099 offers peace of mind knowing your business's information is well protected. Finally, the seventh thing you need to know is that Tax 1099 is incredibly scalable. As your business grows, this platform can grow with you. Whether you need to file for just a few contractors or hundreds, it can handle it without a problem. Many other platforms are better suited for either small or large businesses, but Tax 1099 finds a sweet spot, serving both types with ease. It's a flexible solution that won't outgrow its usefulness as your company expands. Now that you know the 7 things you should consider before buying Tax 1099, if you're ready to try it out for yourself, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits. You'll see why so many businesses choose Tax 1099 for their 1099 filing needs.